When it comes to responding to behavioural-based questions, there's a framework that you can follow that will help you structure your answer. Now, this framework is called STAR, and I'll walk you through it now. So remember, behavioural-based questions want you to tell them about something you've done before, and that is exactly what the STAR framework enables you to do. However, it allows you to do it in a structured, impactful way. So S is for situation. Here you start your answer with a brief description of the situation. T, that's for task. So next you provide some context specifically around what was expected of you. So make sure that you talk about what was expected, not just the team overall, the specifics of what was expected of you. A is for action. So this is where you tell them the actions that you took to get the task done. So this is the most substantial part of your answer. I want you to talk about any preparation that you did in the lead up to your action and give them the details of what you actually did. R is for result. So you're going to finish up your answer with the result. So when you did that action, what happened? Now, hopefully it was a positive outcome, or certainly there was a lesson to be learned, but ideally quantify that outcome if you can. So rather than just simply say the client was happy as a result, give them some specifics. So the client was happy as a result and increased their order value by 150%, for example. And don't just describe the commercial outcome. Give some details as to how you felt about it and why, because that way the interviewer can further understand what your values are and what's important to you.